Hello everyone, this is Mamta from CAD NEST Nagar. In this class, we will discuss about the 3D rotate. Like first we draw the one diagram. By using the 3D rotate, we can rotate the object in X, Y and Z direction. Select the object and then select the command, press enter and select the faces like X direction and Y directions and Z directions. Like this we can rotate the object in X, Y, Z direction. Like this we can also use the 3D rotate, 3D move. Like this we can move in X axis by selecting the red line, can move in Y axis by selecting the yellow line, and for the Z axis we select the blue color line. Like this we can move the object. This is for the 3D rotate and 3D scale. Next one is 3D scale. It means we can increase or decrease the scale by using the 3D scale. Like this. Hope you understand. For more video, please subscribe the channel, press the bell icon. Thank you.